Hi, this is Andrew. Welcome back to Business Kickstart Guide video number 4. Now, in my last video, I talked about the Tao of Lean Agile Startup. Yeah, the T stands for target. And today I'm going to talk about the A. The A stands for attract. And then in the next video, I'm going to talk about the O, right? Now, attract means attract leads or people interested in your products or services and convert them into your clients. Now, once you know your target customers, right, or your people that you want to sell to, then the next thing is that you need to start attracting your customers. Next, you need to know how to attract the customers. So first thing is that you need to have a marketing strategy. Usually, for me, if I'm selling a services, a virtual product that people can see and touch, usually I will use this 3-step marketing strategy. You want to know what is that? All right. Now, step number 1 is that I'm going to start build leads by giving out valuable information to build relationship with this, my target audience or target customers base, right? Now, even though sometimes my product is not ready, I will already start building relationship, yeah? Building leads by giving out valuable information, teach them about the topics. Now, everything you do at this phase is that you just give out without expecting any in returns. Yeah, so that is how I build leads and build relationship. Step number 1, right? Now, once you do that, you have leads coming in. Step number 2 is that to offer them a low entry products. Now, if you are new, people don't know about you, then this is a way to start. Now, if you already have your existing customers, maybe like offline customers, let's say, for example, I'm already doing like face-to-face training, consulting service, and people know me, then that's fine. But if you are new, offer them a low entry products. Now, low entry, it depends on the market. Yeah, a low entry can be like $1,000 product can be a low entry for certain market. But a low entry can be like 50 ringgit, 100 ringgit. So it depends on your market. So step number 2, always offer them a low entry products. And then once they become your customers, always over deliver for them so that they will trust you more. Yeah. So do not cheat them, but over deliver your service, your products to them so that they like you more and they may even help you to promote to their friends. And step number 3, which is the most important, is that you need to have a backend products. So because once they buy your product, then they will have to continue to use something else, right? Let's say, for example, right now, if I coach people to build business, after they build business, they may need to use tools like software, websites, and many other things, right? Or marketing services. So this is the things because they trust you, so you can sell it to them, but not cheat them, right? So always over deliver whatever your service, then because they will come back and buy more. Yeah. So this is the 3 steps process that I will always use to build my business. Now, of course, for some products, let's say, for example, you're selling t-shirts, right? Simple t-shirt, shirts, which is like maybe less than 100 ringgit. Now, you can actually, I mean, for this type of products, for us, we just run a Facebook ads, and then you can actually make sales because it's so simple. Anyhow, people are going to buy. You don't have to explain so much on this, like 100% cotton, nice, comfortable. They will just buy it, you see. So it depends on the products, right? So if you're selling simple product, easy to understand, and they use it like almost like daily, then you can actually straight away sell them. It is as simple as that. So do not complicate your sales process or sales strategy for a simple product. Now, if you want to know more about marketing strategy, you can watch this video here that I created before. Inside there, I will draw for you the strategy. How do you do this? how to capture leads, and so on. So if you're interested, go watch this video. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share with your friends who may need it. By the way, check out our free resources right down in the description below that I've created for you. Now, in this channel, we publish weekly business tips content to help entrepreneurs and small business owners to grow their business online. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish, you will be notified. And meanwhile, here's some of the videos that I created that may help you build your business online. So I hope to see you in my next video, which is the last video in this Business Kickstart Guide video series.